up, guys? How y'all doing out there today? I'm your boy MLD73, and welcome to my channel. The name of my channel is a little bit of everything because that's what I do. I do a little bit of everything. You know, I record a lot of content around me, especially when I have get-togethers at home. You know, when I do a little traveling and everything. I do a little bit of everything. I don't just stick to one concept. And for all you lovely peoples out there that haven't did so already, would you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell? That way you'll be up on my videos all the time. So when I drop a new one, you'll know, you'll be up on it. And speaking of dropping, I got some new merch. You know, I got it all done up. I'm just waiting to put it out there. You know, I'm just waiting. You know, got everything done. Just waiting, like I said, to put it out there. It's real nice. I think you guys will like it. I mean, I like it. The colors are nice. The designs is nice. You know, I got a little bit of everything. So be on the lookout for that too. I make sure I keep everyone posted when I get ready and drop this merch. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Yeah, we out here, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy, your big homie MLD73. Let me get over here and see what's going on with this grill. Look what I got going on, y'all. Grab a beer out of there for me. Look what I got going on. That's the blaze of glory right there. What's up, my people? My lovely people. What's going on up in here? Everybody up in here chilling, all quiet. I got it quiet because I don't want to get hit with them copyright. Let me get this under control right quick. Get this under control right quick. I figured you'd have it. I figured you'd have it for me. Figured you'd have that on wrap for me. There's a little bit over here, a little oil over there trying to get something going on over there. Yes, that's what I did. A brewski. Brewski. If y'all have a house fight, don't try no beer on a house fight. You know what I'm saying?
Everybody else.
You got that right. Don't try this on a house fight. Have a house fire, just get out as quick as you possibly can. You know, I like for everyone to be safe. Tomrrow, what's going on with you, baby?
Check out the YouTube channel, y'all.
Y'all heard Tomrrow Payne, Tomrrow TV. Y'all check him out. That's one of my homeboys. I put his information down in the description. So when y'all stroll down, make sure y'all click on that link. That's my boy Young Sticks right there. That's what I call him, y'all. What's your name, though, boy? Let him know. I don't know. What's your name? What's your YouTube name?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
You don't know your YouTube name yet? Still up in the air, still playing with it?
Yeah, you know it.
That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. In a world of her own. In a world of his own. All right, let me rock this grill right quick, my lovely people. Getting my meats organized right quick. What button did I just push? Press something.
You hold it for you?
Get my meats organized right quick. Probably will grab this side over here, be better.
Don't like it like that.
Right. If you move your finger the wrong way, it's gonna be right in front of the camera, man. Yeah, get my meat right up in here right quick. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, baby. That's how I do it, my people. My lovely people.
Let y'all see him firsthand. Nah, y'all gotta see his face. Now y'all let him.
Y'all be seeing what I do up in here. I'm telling you. I be getting it in. I be behind the scene a lot. You know what I'm saying? Because I be, just getting content. But my man was like, let me get that for you. So I was like, that's what's up, man. So, I'm doing a little light something today. Tomorrow, wait till y'all see this grill tomorrow, though. This mug gonna be loaded.
Real talk. That's just look. This just a little brunch. This that's a little brunch for us.
I think that bug just went into the fire. You're gonna have a little extra protein up here. A little extra protein. Yeah,
That's him, y'all.
That's what we got going on so far. I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit.
Let y'all look at him. Let y'all see what he doing and all that. He can cue on this grill with that fire like that.
Right. Hey, you real chefs out there, y'all should really get some of these times like this. It's pretty cool. Got the rubber little grip right there. Bam, bam. Then when you close and pull that down, they stick for you.
Some groceries. We got groceries up there, man. I'm finna hand the camera over to him now. Let's let y'all know, man. He just let y'all. I'm recording tomorrow when he doing it for real. When he told y'all that there's gonna be something really put on here tomorrow, and y'all gonna see it. Y'all really finna love it. Ooh, yeah. Peace. MLD 73, man. Subscribe, like, whatever you want to do. Here we go.
All of that, y'all. Subscribe.
There you go.
Notification, like, comment, all of that. I want to hear all your feedback. MLD 73, y'all. We love you.
Peace. I don't know how to cut it. Nice little footage. Nice little footage.
What's up, baby? What's up, baby?
Great.
Yeah, she one of a kind, just like Grandpa. Just like Pawpaw, she one of a kind. I got her. You one of a kind, ain't it, boo-boo? Huh? Yeah. She one of a kind. Telling you. All right, y'all. What's up, my lovely people? What's going on? Hello. How are you? How you doing? Look at the smiley faces. Music right quick.
Daily activity.
Look at him over there.
Saucy Pippen. What we doing, man?
Yeah, that's how we do.
Family thing. Get together. Real.
Y'all hear the music in the background? Can't stress it enough. We have music playing when we have little get-togethers, so if y'all hear music in the background, I don't know copyrights to it. Just make things better, make the party a lot better. Yeah, but y'all, we out here chilling though. We kicking it. All right, Tomrrow, man, you have a good one, boy. I'll holler at you. All right, boy. GRG.